The holidays always come with so many expectations, perfect gifts, beautiful decorations, and a festive spirit that feels almost impossible to maintain. But as the year comes to a close, the holiday season gives us a chance to cast aside all the hardships and stress, even just for a moment to focus on what really matters: family. This year was different for my family. My mom and siblings found themselves between homes, a situation no one ever expects. But this holiday season, my wife and I were able to offer them a place to spend the holidays, to share meals, and to feel a sense of togetherness while waiting for their next chapter to begin. It's not something you see often, giving that isn't about physical or monetary gifts, but about showing up for the people you love when you can. And that's what the holidays are really about.
Swedish fish!
We made a choice this year. We didn't buy gifts for others. Instead, we focused on creating moments, planning games for our families to play together, and cooking meals so our moms didn't have to worry about the stress of preparing a holiday feast like they usually do.
Bro, what the heck?
JoJo!
Yeah!
Shoulders, head, knees, cup.
Let's go!
It wasn't about what we gave, but how we gave. As hard as it was this year, watching everyone laugh, eat, and relax, it made all the effort feel so worth it. This Christmas wasn't about tradition or expectations. It was about creating joy in the ways that we could. Black girls must be magic. They are.
Let's see, can we find the dog? Wait, where's the dog?
I think what this year taught me is that sometimes life doesn't give us the perfect conditions to celebrate. But even then, we can still create moments that matter. We can choose to give in ways that don't rely on what we have, but how much we care. So maybe it wasn't a perfect Christmas. At the end of the day, it was ours, and that's more than enough.